Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make Game Pass and please donate. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So, if you want to make a, let's just say, a Game Pass here for please donate so that you can start receiving some form of donations with your account, well, you need to set a few things. So first is first, you want to open up the Roblox app here. Go ahead and click on more at the bottom right of your screen. And you want to scroll down a bit here until you see the create option. Let's go ahead and click on create. Now, inside create, what we need to do is you want to go and access one of the pages here. So at the top left, you should click on the 3-bar icon and you want to go and click on creations. Now, in creations here, what we need to do is you want to look for your place. So in my case, I have one of my places in here. So let's go and choose one that is currently active. So we have this section here that says that's my name and place. So you want to go and select that. Now from here, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and access a page here. So at the top left again on your screen, go and click on the 3-bar icon and you want to go and click on monetization and you want to go and choose passes. Now in passes here, what we need to do is you want to go and create a pass here. Let's go and click on create pass. Now from here, you can go and change the icon if you want. So I'm going to give this a name. So I'm going to say, please donate. And you can go and add a description if you want to. So let's just say please. And let's go and click on create pass. Now once your pass has been created, you want to go and click on the top left here. And you want to access the option here for sales. So let's go ahead and choose... Oh, yeah, so you need to go back first and you want to go and select the actual pass that we just recently created. So this one, please donate. And again, click on the top left here and you want to go to sales. Now in here, you want to go and just add the price that you want to sell this. So go click on item for sale. So in my case, maybe I want to sell this for, let's just say 500. This is just an example. Obviously, you could add whatever price you want. And let's go ahead and click on save changes. Let's go and click on proceed. Now, by the way, 70 a part of what they are or people are going to give you, Roblox will be taking. So I think you're only going to take like 70% of whatever price you set in here. But yeah, let's go and click on proceed. And as you can see, we've just saved this pass. Also, by the way, just make sure that this item is for sale. But since we're done, you can go and just click on the X at the top left here. Go to your home and just open up please donate. Now, once you are inside the game, you can go and just claim one of the stands that is available in here. Like, for example, let's go and claim this one. Let's go and just click on claim stand. And it's going to, it should start showing all of the available, if you want to edit your stand, you can go and edit this as well. As you can see here now, the booth, you can edit the color and such here. But it should also show the passes that you've added into your account. And also, if your passes are not appearing in here, you may need to set your place to public. So you just need to go back to create, go to creations here. And let's go and just click on our creation where we made our pass. So this is where we selected before. And you want to go ahead and click on the top left again. You want to go to settings. Now under settings, you want to go and just choose public for the privacy. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and just save your changes. So you can go enable a few things if you want to, but we're good with this one. So it's going to go back here and see if it's now public. So if it's now public, it should now be visible, but if not, you may need to check it again just to be safe. And also, before you could actually save your changes here for your privacy to make it public, you may need to upload or do some maturity or checklist in here. So you may need to answer yes or no in this case, but I have this, I completed already that. I can go and click on public and just click on save changes. And as you can see, we are now back inside. Please donate. And since we've made our, in this case, our pass public, as you can see, we can now see the 500 Robux that we just added into our account. And we should be able to start receiving that amount if people choose to do so. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.